Today, we have gathered here for a wonderful event where words will come alive, thoughts will find a voice, and confidence will shine. Our elocution competition.
Allocution is not just about speaking, it is about expressing our ideas with confidence, clarity, emotions, and the right voice modulation.
The rules and regulation for the elocution competitions are: each participant will get 2 to 3 minutes to deliver the speech. Participants must speak in their own words and should not read from the paper. Voice clarity, pronunciation, and fluency should be maintained. Firstly, we will call Shreya on stage from grade 12 to present the idea of Industry 5.0.
The abundance of carbon dioxide. Sounds impossible, right? But let me tell you, it isn't. Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Takshana, standing in front of you to speak about a topic that could change our lives forever: green hydrogen. Today, we face a challenge. We need more energy than ever. But burning coal, oil, and mineral gases produce greenhouse effect that can cause global warming and pollution. So we need a product that can give us energy but also should be cleaner. That is where green hydrogen makes an effect. You see, green hydrogen is not just a new discovery, it is a way of life. Green hydrogen is produced using renewable energy sources such as sunlight and water. Water is split into two equal halves of oxygen and hydrogen using a process called electrolysis, with the main byproduct of water. Think about that. Energy in, water out. Sounds amazing, right? It is. Green hydrogen can be used to power places that are difficult to electrify, long distance shipments, and even some forms of aviation. Green hydrogen is truly a game changer in our lives and can cause a lot of difference in the future. But let's be realistic. Green hydrogen is a lot expensive. It takes a lot of infrastructure which
energy obtained from natural resources like sunlight, wind, flowing water, and biomass. These resources are inexhaustible, eco-friendly, and plays a vital role in preserving our environment. For a developing nation like India, renewable energy is just not merely an option, it is a necessity. Solar power, wind energy, green hydrogen, and electrical vehicles can reduce pollution, strengthen our economy, and can lead us towards the energy independence. Remember, every ray of sunlight, every gust of wind, and every drop of flowing water.
Today, technology has made our life easy and has given us so many facilities that we couldn't imagine before. Technology has not only given new speed for development of human life, but has also brought it to new heights of success. It has played an important role in the development of health, education, entertainment, business, tourism, agriculture, etc. Technology is the scientific knowledge used in the production of things.
Integrate technology with sustainable practices. For instance, how can we harness renewable energy sources? By installing solar panels and wind turbines, villages can become self-sufficient, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Additionally, enhancing digital connectivity ensures that farmers have access to real-time marketing information, enabling them to make informed decisions. But how can we promote education and skill development? Establishing local learning centers with access to online resources, we can empower residents, fostering innovation and enterprise. Smart villages also require effective waste management systems.
Speak on the topic green hydrogen, fuel of tomorrow. The future of energy is changing and green hydrogen is becoming an important part of it. Green hydrogen is a clear fuel made by using electricity from renewable sources like the sun and wind. It does not produce harmful smoke, which makes it safe for our environment. Green hydrogen can be used in buses, trucks, trains, factories, and even ships. It helps to reduce pollution and decrease our dependence on coal, oil, and fossil fuels. India is taking many steps to promote green hydrogen. Scientists, engineers, and government are working together to make this clear fuel affordable and widely available. As young citizens, we should learn about clean energy and encourage the wise use of natural
Earth. The connection is simple. Wasting energy destroys our environment. Most of our electricity still comes from burning fossil fuels like oil, coal, and gas. This process pumps millions of tons of carbon dioxide into the air daily.
The results are no longer distant threat, as we can see them in record-breaking heat waves, severe drought, melting glacier, and unpredictable weather. As the famous saying goes, that we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Therefore, saving energy is not just lowering utility bill, it is a direct act of survival. When less fuel burns, our air becomes cleaner, our water becomes safer, and our ecosystem can heal. The best part is that we do not need any massive budget. Big changes start with tiny daily habits.